Hello. Join me today as I dive into the Paradox Museum at Mumbai and try to make sense of all the mind-bending exhibits inside. Welcome to the Paradox Museum, a place where the ordinary rules of reality no longer apply. This fascinating museum is designed to challenge your perceptions, spark your curiosity, and leave you pondering the impossible. As we journey through the Paradox Museum, we'll encounter many more mind-bending exhibits, each one designed to challenge our assumptions and push the boundaries of human understanding. From the grandfather paradox, which explores the consequences of time travel, to the twin paradox, which reveals the strange implications of relativity, every exhibit is a window into a world where the impossible becomes possible. One of the most stunning exhibits is the Infinite Corridor, a mind-bending maze of mirrors that seems to stretch on forever. As you walk through the corridor, your reflection appears to repeat infinitely in every direction, creating a dizzying sense of disorientation. This exhibit is a perfect example of how paradoxes can be both intellectually fascinating and visually stunning. Another exhibit that's sure to blow your mind is the probability wheel, which demonstrates the strange implications of chance and randomness. By spinning the wheel, you can see firsthand how probability can lead to seemingly impossible outcomes, challenging our intuition about the nature of luck and chance. The Paradox Museum is a truly fascinating place, and I hope you've enjoyed this journey with me. It's a place that will leave you pondering the impossible long after you leave, and it's a testament to the boundless wonders of the human mind. So, what's your favorite paradox? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any suggestions for other mind-bending topics you'd like to see in future videos, please share those too.